Hi guys, today I am going to make some sardine fritters. Usually I'll use the Brunswick sardine. I don't have that today, so I'm gonna stick with this. This is the wild caught and this is the brand. All right, I don't know how many cans I'm gonna use yet. Maybe I will use two. I'm gonna put some turmeric in my oil, guys, so that I can change the color. I like that yellow vibrant color. Over here I have a mixture of diced onion, a scallion, and just half a tomato. I have some thyme here that I'm gonna put in my oil to infuse. A little bit of scotch bonnet pepper for some heat. I will be using one egg to bind it a little, and that's it. So I'm ready to go. So stay tuned. Guys, I went ahead and I blended my wet season, and this is what it is right here in my blender. Reason for that is I don't like when I'm eating my fritters and you're biting into a whole chunk of scallion and onion and all that. I don't like that at all, so I figure I'm gonna into my flour and the rest of my ingredients. Doing so, I don't have to encounter all that trouble of picking out scallion, onion and all that. It's very annoying sometimes. So if you like it like that, you can go ahead and, chunk up your scallion and your other ingredients. Now, first I want to open my sardine and go ahead and mix it all up. So this is my sardine, guys. It's in olive oil. I don't need the oil, so therefore I'm gonna be throwing out this oil. So that's 1 can of sardine. Guys, this sardine is well seasoned. I don't know if I'm gonna put salt in it, but I'll check as I go along. Sardine is very tasty. Next up is my blended onion and scallion mixture. Like I said, I don't like to eat and picking out chunks of onion and scallion. Don't like that, so that's the whole reason why I went ahead and blended. All right, so you're still gonna get the same benefit, just in another way. Also gonna put some thyme, but not into the mixture. I'm gonna infuse it into my oil along with some turmeric because I want to get that yellow color in my so this is half an onion, 1 stalk of scallion, and just a little piece of scotch bonnet pepper in my blended mixture. I also have a little piece of garlic. I have 1 egg. I'm going to go ahead and beat it a little. All right, that should be it. So now I'm pouring in my eggs. This is the right consistency so far. I'm adding some black pepper. a little bit of salt. The sardine has some salt already and other seasoning. Now I'm ready to put in my flour. So this is eyeballing, guys. No measurement really. Just eyeballing. So as you can see, I don't want it to be too wet. Give it a taste. Yes. I don't need nothing else. Everything is okay. So guys, this is another way that you can do it. Don't have to chunk up the scallion and the onion. You can also go ahead and blend it out because it's the same. You're going to get the same result, the same flavor, the same everything. It's just a different twist. You know, if you like me and you do not like to be chewing on those big chunky scallion and onion, then this is the way to go. Just blend out your wet ingredients and incorporate. It's the same. So now everything is all incorporated and ready to go into the pot. Guys, my name is Bean Sonia Williams. If you're new here, thanks a lot. Thanks for coming. Those of you that already subscribed to my channel, thanks a lot. Road to 1K subscribers. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go over to the stove. Here you go. My pot is already here. So my oil is all heated, and now I'm gonna put my thyme in it. I want to infuse some flavors in my oil. My flame is on medium at this point, and I just want to put enough oil in. This is olive oil, guys. Some turmeric to change the color of my oil. So I just want to burn my turmeric a little. See that nice curry yellow color. Alright, so now that that is in the pot and infusing in my oil, I'm getting my butter ready for frying. I'm now removing the thyme from the oil. Now I'm putting in my first fritter. Low heat, guys, low heat. Another one is right here. Right here. Alright, I think I can get one more. Stick in my pot here. See how nice and crispy that one is, guys. This is the way I like it. So that one is okay. Let me flip this one. All right, you want to turn down your flame because you want it to get the dough to soak. If you put it at high, guess what? You're gonna have a nice crispy outside, but inside is very raw and undone. See how nice and crispy these are, guys. Nice and crispy and well done. So these ones is ready to come out the pot. I'll give those a little more time. What about this one? Alright guys, see there? Nice and crispy, well done.
Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me